In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to put picture in Huawei Watch Fit 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a custom watch face on your Huawei Watch Fit 3. To start, open the Huawei Health application. Inside of the app, as long as you have your Huawei devices connected, you will be able to go over to the devices screen and access the watch faces category. So go over to devices, watch faces, and usually you will see the actual store that has a bunch of watch faces to offer. All that you have to do in there is switch over to mine at the top of the screen. When you choose mine, you will be able to see the watch faces that you have downloaded. All that you have to do is choose gallery. So if you look below all of the options, you will be able to select gallery under on watch. Now tap the plus sign and you will be able to load up pictures from your gallery. You can also take a custom photo. After you choose a photo, set the style, position, and features to create your own unique watch face. You will be able to add stuff like the date, the hour, the minutes, and so on. Once it is customized to your preferences, you will be able to set it up as the default, and the changes will be immediately transmitted over to your Huawei Watch Fit 3. This is also going to work for any other Huawei model that you have, including of course the Fit 3, which is the focus of this video. You can load up multiple different pictures and swap between them. All of them will be saved under the Mine category, so all that you have to do is open Huawei Health, go over to Devices, choose Watch Faces, and customize watch faces to your liking. You can have all of them, switch between them whenever you wish, and they are going to be available within the application. You can delete them if needed and switch between the default one periodically. I hope I was able to help you on how to put picture in Huawei Watch Fit 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.